When it comes to high performance cases, Corsair is the real gold standard. We had already reviewed the Frame series 4000D. Now we are going to review the 5000D case, and I'll tell you who this case is meant for. So you can see the improved airflow design mesh in the front. There are 4 RS fans, ARGB fans, and they can be controlled using the IQ app. So this case supports up to 420mm radiator. So this is a heaven for people who intend to do a custom liquid cooling. So Corsair has this InfiniRail system in the Frame series. So what it means is you can mount 120 or 140 or up to 200mm fans. It's a fantastic feature. This particular case, what interests me is the cable management. Insane actually. You can mount 2.5 SSDs in the back and then probably one 3.5 in the front. So let me do the build and show you how it looks.